We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you.
Having practiced law on Wall Street, I know a good lawyer when I see one. Mitchell Fielding is a standout among his peers with an advanced grasp of how to use the law to the benefit of his clients. Equally as important, Mr. Fielding never cuts corners and has earned my trust implicitly. If you're looking for the right lawyer to represent you, look no further. Mitchell is your guy.
Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.